What's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy Hiroshi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. So in today's episode, I've got an unedited full body workout using the skipping rope, a 10-minute workout for anyone who is on business travel or going on holiday and find yourself in a hotel room. Before we get straight into the video, the rope that we are using is of course the Rush Athletic Speed Rope, also known as the money rope. So if you're on Amazon US or Amazon Canada, be sure to check it out there. Otherwise, go down to rushathletics.co.uk, our official site, and we ship worldwide. Right, so stay tuned for the next clip. We're gonna run that intro as always, and we're gonna get straight into this explosive workout. Peace. Welcome back, guys. So what we're going to do here today is we're going to run 5 sets, and in those 5 sets you're going to work for 2 minutes, and you're going to basically do that until you hit the 10-minute mark. And so it's going to be a total of 10 minutes. We're going to do some leg exercises, we're going to do skipping of course, and what you guys really need to have is an interval timer. So I've got an app on my phone which is going to help you, and I would recommend that you guys download this app as well. So if you check it out, it's called Interval Timer, and you can basically set your interval as you wish. So I've got 1 minute of high intensity, and then 1 minute we're going to basically do bodyweight exercises and get some rest in there as well. So that's 2 minutes of work, and you're going to do that 5 times, and that's your 10 minutes. Cool. So before we get straight into the workout, I'm going to put the workout right now on the screen. Make sure you guys take a screenshot of it so you can kind of refer to it, and if you guys want to follow along, that would be absolutely brilliant. I'm going to make sure that you guys can kind of feel what I'm feeling. I can talk you through the kind of tips and the advice that you need to use when you're using your jump rope, and the form and technique on the bodyweight exercises. So I'm going to start the timer. We're going to start 1 minute. It's going to be a regular bounce, regular sort of skipping bounce, and that's going to be your kind of warm up at the same time, and then we're going to go straight into neutral grip press up. So I'm going to start the timer now. Make sure you guys are following along. So we're going to go, here we go. There's our 1 minute. We're going to start with general boxer step, if you guys know how to do the boxer step, or you can use a regular bounce. So I want you guys to focus on keeping your elbows back, your chest out, and you're always on the balls of your feet. So with this method, you're going to make sure that you're getting the maximum burn on your calves. You're getting your heart rate moving because you're just doing a nice regular bounce. You're going to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. So if this is a bit basic for you guys, I want you to move to the boxer step, where you're doing alternate feet, staying on the balls of your feet. So we're coming into the last 10 seconds of this first minute. The next exercise is going to be 10 to 12 reps, so if you do 15 reps, that'd be great, of press-ups. And then we're going to have our little rest. So there's the bell. Now we move into the press-ups. Neutral grip, arms out underneath your shoulders, down, up. We're going to do 12 reps. Three more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So now I'm resting for the remainder of the period. So we've got another 25 seconds. And then we're going to move into the second set, where we're now going to incorporate a little bit more speed in the skipping routine. But when you're focusing on those press-ups, really engage those triceps. We're doing a military press-up, so I want your elbows to go backwards. And that's that one done. So we're coming up to the last 5 seconds of this break. We're going to now move into the run skip. So here we go. Run skip now. This one, I want you guys to again focus on technique, stay on the balls of your feet, driving those knees up, using the forearms and wrists to get your skipping rope moving. This is tough. Keeping your core engaged is really important to get the most out of this workout. Breathing. Last 15 seconds. And then we're gonna go into a 20 to 25 seconds plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so now we're gonna go to a plank. I want you guys to stay on your shoulders, keep your shoulders clean, keep your shoulders nice and steady. You're gonna rest on your forearms, core engaged. And you're gonna hold this for about 20 to 25 seconds to allow yourself at least 30 seconds break after. This is super tough after a run skip. And keep your body as straight as possible. Keep the bum up. And that's about time. I should have moved the clock up. I actually did it for about 50 seconds, so I've only got 5 seconds break. We're then gonna move into the front straddle skip, which you'll see. The front straddle is just a nice, cool workout to start working your quads. It's a very mini lunge, but it's all about timing. So I want you guys to take this slowly. My heart is absolutely racing right now. So I want you guys to make sure you keep that core engaged and keep breathing. You're gonna stay on the balls of your feet as always. And you just want to get like a minimal flex on your knees. Coming into the last 20 seconds. We're in the third cycle out of 5. This is a lot more harder than it looks. A lot more burn going through the legs, top of your quads. Last 3 seconds. And then we're gonna go into mountain climbers. So I tend to do the mountain climbers like this. I'm gonna try and get to 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we've got good 30 seconds break. You want to really drive those knees up to your elbows. So we're working our core, we're working our chest with the press ups, and the skipping is getting the whole total body burn that we need. The next step we're going to do is one-legged jumps, 30 seconds on each side. Let's go. So for beginners, you can do 5 on each side and a change. Or if you're more advanced, you can go to 10 on each side. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 10. So just change it up. But this is a great move to fire up the calf muscles. You're carrying more body weight on each leg. This is a 4 cycle, 20 seconds left. Really feeling the burn now. Ten seconds left. The next bodyweight exercise is going to be plyometric squats. There's time there. We're going to go down, nice and low, explode up. 12 of these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm honestly struggling here. It's a great workout, and I just love the fact that you can mix it up, do different footwork with the skipping. I've got 15 seconds left of break. The last move I want you to do is just freestyle skipping. Change it up, any kind of footwork. Double unders if you have space. Whatever you wish. Struggling. Right, so I'm going to do a mixture of maybe crossovers. My arms are pretty tired right now. Do some side swings. Last 15 seconds. The last bodyweight exercise we're going to do is lunges, forward lunges. Just a little bit of side swings. Last exercise of the move, forward lunges. You can have your arms like this. Really put the burn on the front of your front of your quads, just above the knee. Use those hamstrings at the back to fire you back into position. Great move this to finish the workout. And we're going to try and do 10 on each side to really finish it off. Last few seconds. I'm going to go until the bell now.
Activity completed.
All done, guys. Right, so that was probably one of the hardest videos I've had to shoot, unedited, 5 cycles, 10 minutes long. Please try and follow along. Save this video down, share it with your friends and family. Your support is my oxygen, guys, so please like this video if you find it helpful. The hotel room workout, I think I'm going to be doing more of these series. A lot more of you out there have been requesting this type of video, and I just want to get you the best value out there. So I still don't want to cut this video. If I cut it, I'm so sorry, but I'm so tired I can't talk. But listen, without further ado, I'm going to leave you there. Catch you in the next video for more tutorials, workouts and vlogs. Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Keep falling back, yeah, I keep falling back. Oh, 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 oh. Try to give it up, I try to let it all go. Oh, oh.